G'day, VDubs here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm just going to start by showing you it's a new logo that I developed, and yeah, printed a white t-shirt. Got another one here, and you'll see Josh wearing a grey one in the video today. So let me know in the comments what you think, if you like them. Anyway, today we're going to clean up the Bullbar, the pink Bullbar, and repaint it and fit it back on the front of the Kombi. So let's get into that.
Okay guys, so taking that off, took a bit more time than I thought. It looks a bit weird now, but I've got this off there, huge monster thing, and it's been brilliantly engineered by an anonymous person. See, it's got these nice spaces going there, but it's got these huge bolts, monsters. I'm going to use one of these and these, just wire brush wheels, to sand off, oh, can you see that? All of that rust there. There's quite a bit down there, but all of this surface rust. Okay, it's looking good. May not look that good on camera, but this is all nice, clean steel now. Okay boys, now we get to the cleanup part of this. What we're doing is we're using some of this. I'm going to show you the label, because I don't want to get sued. But this is a rust stuff, the rust converter, that's the one. So I'll put that on all the exposed metal bits, and what it does is it makes a nice matte black and seals it so no more rust can spread. So yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. I don't know if it eats plastic, I've never tried it, so this will be a first for us. Get your brush in there, make sure it's a throwaway brush. You just slather it off. This is a really shit brush, I love it. You just slather it on like that. Okay, so I finished applying. I'll show you it now. You can see anything that's shiny is coated with it, so you try and avoid the paint as much as possible, but in some areas like that you cannot avoid it. So I'll come back in an hour.
We're just going to wet sand the bar. So tools we need are nice cold beverage, and I'm going to be using 600 water paper. So I'll just pop it in a bucket of water like that, and let's move it across. And there you see how nice and smooth. So the 600 should be smooth enough to get rid of all the rough items, which will allow us to actually just spray this bar pink again. Right, so the next step, I'm just going to take a microfiber towel and not that it's wet, but just so that it's damp. And what I'm cleaning off is this, because you don't want to leave that. So I'm just giving the whole bar a wipe. So when I come back next time, I'm going to clean it with wax and grease remover, and that way we can then paint it and the paint will stick. The next step is going to be cleaning it up with wax and grease remover, and then we'll put the primer over the areas where the steel is, and then finally we're going to put the pink colour on. Take the edge primer, shake the can for at least a minute and a half, and then we'll get stuck into just touching up where the bits of steel are sticking through. Okay, the last step is going to be to spray on the colour, pink. So let's get into that. So we've got 3 coats on it now, and we're nearly ready to fit it. So what we'll do is go and take the old bumper off the Kombi that was just used to get it roadworthy, and we'll put the Bullbar back on once it's dry. Okay, so the next part, we're going to actually take the old bumper off so that we can put the pink Bullbar back on.
Yep. There's two here, two there, all 417s, and there's one here where the step is, which is just a little 13. So we'll start with the 13. I caught it with my hand.
Yeah, on the floor. Right. So we're ready to put the Bullbar on, and we've just put 2 axle stands to support it with sockets, and we're about to put the Bullbar on now.
Left down a slight. No. Hold on. Maybe slightly up or slightly down on your right. Ooh. And that's it. job done.
Alright, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.